Hey guys, it's Mary here. I'm going to try doing this as I video it. I have 1 cup of coconut flour. I have 1 cup of almond flour. I have 1 cup of whey protein isolate protein powder, unflavored. I have 1 egg beaten. I have instant yeast. I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have a little under 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. I do not like putting sweetener in my pizza sauce. I mean my pizza sauce, my pizza pie dough. I just don't like doing it. Oh, and I have 1/3 cup of olive oil, the extra virgin. Okay, now I'm going to put this all in my food processor until it forms a dough ball. So here we go. I'm putting my coconut flour in. I'm putting my almond flour in. I'm putting my whey isolate powder in. I have my my xanthan gum's going in. My baking powder's going in. And my salt's going in. And I'm also adding some Italian seasoning. I guess I added about a tablespoon. Now, first I'm going to, First I'm going to run this a second. If I could just keep the camera still to get it all mixed up. And of course it's not plugged in. Okay, we'll try this again. Then I'm going to mix that up. And I almost forgot my yeast. I'm going to add my instant yeast. I'm going to give that another spin. Now I'm going to add my 1/3 cup of olive oil. And my 1 egg. And I'm going to mix that until it forms a ball. Oh, I almost forgot my warm water. Be right back. Okay, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of warm water. I might need to add more. I'll figure it out as I go. I have stopped it for a second and I'm pushing the sides in. I am going to be adding another 3 tablespoons. I am doing this slowly because this is actually an experiment, guys. I have never made pizza dough. I am not a professional at this. And I'm going to go again. But it has pulled away from the side. And I think I need to put some almond flour down. There we go. And I'm going to get the rest of it out of here. Not very sticky. I mean, it's sticky, but it's not very sticky. And I'm going to mix this until it's nice and soft. You know, guys, you should always taste just a little tiny bit. I know it's got egg in it. It's a pasteurized egg. But you should always taste a little tiny bit to make sure your dough's right. It's perfect. It tastes wonderful. Okay. Now I really think I want to add, to be honest, a little more oil on it. Put that like in the middle of it. It's not like regular bread dough, so don't worry about, overdoing it. I mean, you don't want to overdo it, but you don't have to worry as much. Okay, I'm going to get my pan out and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I have sprayed my silicone sheet down with some Smart Balance. And I'm going to put my pizza dough down. And I'm going to spread it out. I'm going to get it as thin as I can. I don't have any parchment paper. I'm out. So I gotta make do with what I have right now. It's probably gonna be enough for today and tomorrow. I want to make rectangular. That's what I'm trying to do. Kind of pull it. It's sticky. Not that thick. And it's alright. It goes a little bit. Put it into the lid. Okay, now, we're going to cook this ahead a little bit. You're going to cook this for 13 minutes on 425. Then you're going to pull it out and you're going to put your toppings on it. And then you're going to put it back in for about, I think they said 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes. At least until your cheese is golden. But you're going to want to put holes through it. And this is to keep it from blowing up into a bubble. Just make sure you got enough holes in it. And my oven is ready. So wish me luck, people. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. I have turned my pizza over, as you can see. And the reason I turn it over is because I don't want it to get any more browner. So I'm going to put no sugar sauce. That is a half a jar. I'm going to scrape it out because we like sauce. You know, people think keto means you can't eat nothing. They're wrong, guys. Now I'm going to add my cheese. This is 2 cups of cheese. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the whole thing on there. This is low moisture whole milk cheese. I don't like the skim very much. I think I'm going to end up using that whole thing of cheese. Yep, I used the whole thing. Oh well. Then I'm going to add some of my Pick Sweet season blend on it. Not too much because it's got onions in it, and onions have carbs. Whoops, I keep on hitting my camera. I don't think a little hurts as long as you watch how many carbs you go all the way with. Then I'm going to add mushrooms. We love mushrooms. You do not have to add anything. And I do pre-cook my mushrooms a little bit to get the water out of them, so it doesn't make the pizza watery, because we love mushrooms. As you can see, I'm piling them on. But yeah, I cook them in a little bit of water and salt and a tiny bit of garlic powder. See, I don't want that water in on my pizza. Now, I'm adding bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? I know I love bacon. Yes, you can have a little bacon. That is exactly 3 slices of, not thin, but not thick cut bacon. Wipe my hands off here. And, hey, might as well make it whole work. Yeah, guys, you can do that. On keto. You just gotta watch your carb intake. And I have pepperoni, and the pepperoni has, you get it in there, no carbs. Got a lot of sodium. I mean, sodium's not bad on keto. And I've only got a little bit in a bag, so I'm not putting a whole lot. Don't need that. I wish I had a little bit of spinach. That would be good on here. I don't even have any frozen right now. Okay. And it wouldn't be a Mary's pizza if it didn't have any crushed red peppers on it. Gotta have crushed red peppers on it. And I'm going to add some Italian seasoning on it. And a little bit of farm cheese. Now, I'm going to adjust the time on this. Instead of putting it in at 425, put it in at 400 and cook it for about 8 minutes. Okay? And then pull it out, pop it up, and put it back in until the cheese is melted on top. Now, I'm going to be putting it in for, I'm going to check it because, I don't know, I think it's the almonds that's in the crust. It probably would have been better if I just used coconut. I'm not sure. I'll tell you afterwards. But yeah, it's just going to go in the oven for about 3 to 6 minutes until the cheese is melted. And I'll be back. Okay, guys. And there's my pizza. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful pizza. It doesn't have any bacon in it. I mean, not bacon, the pork rinds. It's just beautiful pizza. It cuts beautiful, and I'm sure it tastes beautiful. And there you have it, guys. Mary's Place Keto-Licious Pizza. Enjoy!